What are they doing out there? You're supposed to be in the grass.
Run down on that knoll a little bit. They're gonna run like almost like a hook out that way. Southwest wind or southeast wind. I'll open like that. I'll put some over here when I move the truck too. Like not a lot, you know what I mean?
Right.
Just try it out. I'm gonna take out 10-15 shells. Put in that little cubby thing there. Put your bag right behind you. Put your gun on your left side. You'll be good to go. You'll be ready to rock. Little warm-up flock is what that was.
Yeah.
I hear some coming.
Fucking crushed them! Woo!
Holy crap, I got him! He's coming! Kill him! Kill him, They're coming! They're coming!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10. We're done.
Alright, we're done.
Gotta love two birds, one hunt.
Show's over. That's it. I'm 12.
He's still alive.
Two birds are gonna do it all day. Show us how to find another group of kids. Man.
Be nice to have 10 kids out, but
Yeah.
people got video games to play.
Be nice to have another group of kids ready to go. Yeah. 8 o'clock. Man.
Hey folks, Mike Larson here with Final Fight Waterfowl. It's October 5th. It's a Saturday. It's the youth season 2019. We got it done at before 7:20 this morning. These guys are some shooters. This is the future of this sport, and I think everyone had fun today. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Had a good time. I'm glad everyone could come out, and it was quick, but it was fun. So, got tomorrow. We're going to set up in a soybean field tomorrow probably and do the same. Stay tuned.
What do you say to Mike?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Good job, guys.